Desa Lautoka is the Lololo community. Here, the men formed the Lololo Men's Club, which has been in existence for more than 5 years now. These men introduced beekeeping farm to the community, which has been the first income-generating venture for the club.
Lololo Men's Club di Lololo atau tengah nabi na bagsaut atau taksubir na neman sa lakuan lani gunung ko Lololo atau gunung zakazak gunung bujin kina na taban paini nan taponu sena pulau konto kiri so sa lakuan sa gunung zakazak kim menangge murmai kim sampai lewan tungo na lim song na menongon ko kim sa tu leli besar to na lewan tungo na vi yasan.
Income generated from the sale of honey has assisted in their financial contribution towards the community church. Previously, community members had to pay from their individual income every year. This project has now allowed reduced expenses for the families living here in Lololo, as the families are now able to direct their income towards meeting the family needs.
Kena buru-buru labu talangan gunung ko Lololo, kena buru-buru labu gunung ko mitibul kene kena kami minta kalak juga, narutan ni cinta lima orang bukan, ini kalak juga, kena buru-buru labu ni song ko kena Lololo Men's Club juga minta sudah ni memang sana Singapore ruai memang minta karab kena sana Itabi, ni zakazak tali bikau erpaini. Members
of the Lololo Men's Club have also been empowered from the financial training and good governance facilitated by Friend and USB.
Nurtumi buat terbitu nak kena wajib bagi nak kena bolai, nak kena garab ni kapai bola, nak kena tu baru terbitu nak lagi buli, lebih kagak tu baru terbitu, lebih kena nak tu mana nanu, lebih kagak tu waram tiga nak tu umbula, awasi bina nak tu binggarab, lepas lagi nak tu kila, senada bina gitu na zakab na loman Indonesia ciku se na loman binggarab na loman Indonesia song, nak kena garab na kapai bola, kapai labu na itu. The
University of the South Pacific has been a partner in development with Friend on the Grassroots Voices for Good Governance project.
The role of USP Lautoka has been one of training and monitoring community-based organizations selected and identified by Friend in Greater Lautoka area. The objective of the training is community-based organizations capacity building to empower them to manage all aspects of their organizations effectively, to successfully bid for projects, to successfully complete projects, and to ensure sustainability.
The University of the South Pacific has been a partner in development with Friend on the Grassroots Voices for Good Governance project.
I must acknowledge that community-based organizations have existed or have been existing in communities well embedded into their own issues and development. Doing projects like school, water, road, etc. However, we realize that it's important for them to build capacity to ensure that they are more mainstreamed and government development partners feel confident in having dialogue with them and involving them in development process.
Over 90 people from community-based organizations have been trained on financial record keeping at USP.
The training involved 3 main areas, subject areas, and that included good governance, financial management, and audit practices. So a total of 32 community-based organizations involving just over 90 individuals were trained at the University of the South Pacific Lautoka campus. After the training, the University of the South Pacific Lautoka campus has been monitoring, and that includes in-field monitoring, whereby we go and cross-check their practices, how effectively they are practicing and following the audit procedures that we have, we had taught them.